true 3-door reach-in prep cooler. She's a little dirty. But they said it's freezing. Water on the floor. It said it's freezing up though. It's not that bad. That's not going to cause it to freeze though. Got a feeling it's low on charge. Someone already put a tap in there. This one's got a Schrader 134A. Oh, she don't sound too happy.
I'm coming around, sorry.
34 psi. We're gonna have to recover it and recharge it. There's a leak in the system somewhere. I'll get my leak detector, but we got to get this thing up and going. All right, so got this thing recovered. Calls for 10 ounces, so we're gonna stick 10 ounces in it. Turn on my scale here. On these systems, it's better off just to recover the thing. It doesn't want to take anything. Oh, she's slow. I don't think she's going to take the whole time. I don't think I have to start her up. We're at 2.5, 280. She doesn't like taking it, mama. Four two. 4953. It's got a little dinky port too. It's only got, it's just got a piercing valve on the process line. That's all it's got. Sorry, camera malfunction. 7.4. We're gonna leak test her too.
That one right there? I like it too. What's going in it? When they come?
8.5. 8.
It looks good.
Come on, baby, take it. 9.2. Oh, there it is, right there. Boom. 10.2. That's what came out of the jug, so we're gonna suck her line clear. Let's plug it in. See if she starts up. Should should start right up. Started right up. Just let it stabilize before I start dumping the rest of the refrigerant in it. I'm gonna do it slow. Let me get this stuff out of here and I'm gonna get my leak detector. I got it on, the evaporator fans are blowing. No, let me unplug it.
Yeah, I figured it out, buddy.
Top of it looks all corroded and crusty. Want to get the pressure up in the evaporator, that's why. Bet you I won't find it.
That one's way different. I like corn.
I eat any kind of vegetable. I eat some corn. I don't eat corn. I like corn, really.
I like it as long as it ain't steamed or nothing.
Well, how do you cook frozen corn with that steam?
As I said, I don't buy frozen, none of that. None of that stuff. I eat vegetables fresher.
Yeah, you know what? That's one thing I like. Broccoli, avocados,
See, yeah.
and I stir fry them on small pot of Coil.
I like all of those normal as soon as you cook them for some reason.
I don't let them cook. Look, my sister over there, kids. She eat carrots and celery and everything, and she's like, that was one of my
It's almost like it gets
Having
you
a
all
vegetable
the
discussion over there.
I don't, except corn, frozen corn. Well, I use
I guess corn on the top is an exception.
but I'll steam that.
It is working after I put the refrigerant in there. Because I got the cooler down to 40, 42, 41. Right around there.
That was supposed to be a storm tomorrow.
I didn't look anywhere but 9 inches. So maybe I should have been a weatherman because they never.
Yeah, they're just like, they don't even call themselves meteorologists anymore. They're just, oh my god, they need to go on camera and read off numbers.
I know, that's all it is. So you have a good day and I'll see you.
I'm not finding a leak. Bet you any money it's the evaporator coil. Well, we'll find it. Let's search a little more. Search a little more. That's it. Okay. I was on this one earlier. I had to actually leave and come back. For one thing, what he was describing to me is that the unit just freezes up. he unthaws it, plugs it back in, it freezes up. So I'm kind of, okay, well, do we have an airflow issue or do we have a refrigerant issue?
Turn right on 24th
And I
Avenue.
started out with the refrigerant issued, and as you've seen, we don't have any refrigerant there. Got it charged up with 10 ounces and turned it on, let it run for a little bit. I did some leak detection, but I couldn't pinpoint where the leak was coming from. I did some on camera and I did some off camera. But I got it charged up. They're up and running for the time being. So we can get back there and actually pinpoint the leak. We're always at that place for something. Their equipment isn't, some of the equipment isn't the hottest, you know. As you can see from that freezer, it's been worked over quite a few times. So, or you got to look at the other video. There's that walk-in freezer video. So, other than that, charged it up, sat there for 15-20 minutes, got down to 38 degrees, and did shut off. I'm not going to put all that on camera. You guys will sit there and be bored just watching the thermometer go down. So that's it for this one. You guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.